Crude oil for the day has shown little signs of recovery, hitting the lows at 67.7. We have seen it now moving upwards, and also we have seen it struggling at 68.6, 68.7 zone, while natural gas has kept the momentum intact. And so far for the day, we have seen it staying in a zone and trading with modest bullishness. Can we say that the bulls are back in the energy sector? Can we say that the oil and gas are going to fly from here, or further crash to be expected here in the oil and gas? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil, WTI, and natural gas? And yes, the movement of oil WTI will also give you an indication about the Brent. So, how to trade this, how to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. And yes, we'll do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade with logic, trade with confidence, trade with profits. This is the only channel in the world to give you two updates with detailed analysis. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's first we look into oil, followed with gas. Watch this. Now, see, crude oil on the earlier trade, see, after a bit of drop here, we have seen it retracing. We have seen it is struggling at 68.5, 68.6 zone, which I have mentioned earlier in the day as a greater resistance. And we also know that till 69, oil has greater resistance here. So now it is very, very important for it to break beyond 68.5, 68.6 zone, which will confirm its next move towards 69, 69.2. And that will also confirm that now we are looking forward to a recovery. We can expect it to move towards 70 as well. What is happening on the hourly charts after the drop? A bit of retracement, after a drop, bit of retracement, lower highs here, lower lows here, and a recovery here cannot be denied. However, it is shying away from breaking past the resistances. Stochastic overbought trying to cool down, while MACD hitting the lows have crossed over and it is trading with little bullishness. RSI is also now, after coming out of the oversold zone, now looking downwards. Coming to two on the 2 hour charts, what's happening? See, couple of bullish candles, reversal sign, but this is still not yet confirmed a reversal. What can happen? Hitting lower lows, now it can break past 68.50, and it is very, very important for it to break this 20 period moving average, which means only bullish confirmation in oil now is if it breaks beyond 69, 69.2. Yes, you can buy at 68.5 levels, but you have to be very alert, very cautious as long as it stays below 69, 69.2. What I am looking here is drop, and see, drop, retracement, and then drop, and now a bounce back. So what it may try to do is stay in the zone, and if it breaks beyond 69, 69.2, we are looking forward to a move towards 70. If you look at the stochastic, this has seen a high rise. Look at the MACD. After dropping sharp, it has crossed over just two candles away, which suggests that possibly it can continue here. Even if it trades with a drop, we can see a recovery very, very soon and very, very fast. Because see, this crossover has come at a level at which we can say oil always tries to reverse from the zone, and this is the zone from where we see the recovery. So from here a recovery cannot be denied. RSI came out of the oversold zone. Coming to 3 hour charts, when you see the 3 hour charts, see, look at the formation, higher lows here. First of all, a very good base, a bottom is formed here, and thus only bearishness today is if it trades below 67.6 zone, below which you can say that it has turned bearish, else higher lows, and now the current candle can reverse completely, move towards 69, 69.2, or in fact 69.5 and 670 levels here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish trying to converge, crossover for the buys. RSI has just come out of the oversold zone, and the same what we had seen on the 3 hour charts is getting replicated here on the 4 hour charts. Thus, but I will say that right now I will not say that it is willing to reverse. If it breaks below 67.8, 67.5 zone, you can say now we are looking forward to a greater drop, which can take it towards 67, which is going to be the next support zone. See, the crossover here in the moving average is a bearish sign, but if you see the formation here, drop, retracement towards 20 period, drop, and it could retrace here. Only bullish confirmation I have shared earlier for the week, for the day, is only and only if oil trades beyond 70.6. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish trying to converge, RSI has come out of the oversold zone. Coming to the day. Before we move to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, lower lows are seen and now it is trying to post a little recovery, but it does not mean that it has completed a reversal confirmation, because see, right now, if it breaks from here, if it breaches below 67.5, this will become the wick for the day, and then it will try to create a red body which can take the prices towards 67 or lower levels. Though in my understanding, in my expectation, I think it is going to be difficult. But yes, right now the bulls appears to remain absent here. See, moving averages have crossed over, trading with divergence. Also notice what is happening here. After the drop, it is trading in this box here. Drop retracement, and it could stay in this swing zone. So for now, 67 and 60 5.8 zone, 66, 65.8, 66, and then 64.8, 65 are going to remain the prime support zone. Even if it tries to drop, I will not treat this as bearish as long as 64.8, 65 is not taken in the near term. Stochastic oversold, MACD again crossing over for sell, and the RSI is at bottom. So looking at this now, I'll recommend you to buy if you see oil trading above 68.5. Expect 68.8, 69.2 as the first target zone, achievable. Very good resistance will be observed here. Then 70.6, 69.6, and then 70.2. Once it breaks beyond 70.2, you can expect that the bullish momentum will increase. We can wait for 70.6, and breaking beyond 70.6 is the reversal confirmation, where it may tend to break beyond 72.4, 72.6 zone very soon, though the momentum right now is not very much supportive of such an aggressive move here today. But these are markets. On the downside, sell at 67.8, and see, be careful till 67.5, below which you can expect 67.25 and 67. Below this, 66.6, 66, 65.8, 65.8, 66 is an ultimate support. See, 67 is also an ultimate support here. These are very prime levels. And then 64.8, 65, three levels here which are going to act as a layer which is going to be difficult to break for crude oil. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Now let's move to natural. See, natural gas today stayed in a zone. It has retraced towards the 20 period, taking the support, trying to bounce back. But most importantly, it has failed to break the resistance on the upside at 3.08. Thus, you need to wait for it to break beyond 3.08, which will confirm its further advancement, further rise. Right now, also you can see a support coming in on the downside till towards 3.02, which makes it a greater support zone. So the entire movement is engulfed between this sideways box, and thus it is important to come out of this box in order to confirm a direction here. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD also has crossed over. It has retraced. Despite any significant move in prices, the MACD has dropped significantly. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. Look at the 2-hour chart. The observation is same. See, after consolidation gave a breakout, now trying to recover. If it trades above 3.08, you can say now the bulls are back and we can look forward to a rise. Else what we are looking forward to, yes, a drop below 3.04 can take it again towards 3.02 and $3 levels, which is also the 20 period moving average. So right now I will not say that it is turned either bullish or bearish. It is staying in the box. Let it come out of this, which will confirm the direction here. Stochastic has dropped sharp. The MACD has crossed over here, which is again a bearish sign, and the RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 3, look at 3-hour charts. Similar observation what we had seen on the 2-hour charts. Let it break on the upside, then you can confirm the reversal. Else, I will say if it stays below 3.0402, we can look forward to a greater down move, taking it till towards 3, 2.97, 2.95. Now only below 2.95 and 94, you can say now a crash is going to be seen, where 2.9, and then ultimately it can strive to fill the gap here. Though for natural gas it is nothing new, it can leave these gaps for a while before filling these up. There are lot many gaps left on the upside now. Look at the formation. It is trading in this channel. The lows of this channel are now at towards 2.9, 2.8 zone, which is going to remain the prime support any which ways for this week. Stochastic has dropped sharp. MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. On the 4-hour charts, the observation is same. We have to wait for it to give a breakout either which ways, either on the upside or on the downside. Stochastic overbought, trying to cool down. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI overbought. Coming to the daily, look at the daily charts here. Higher highs and higher lows are here. Wait for it to break out. Once it breaks out beyond 3.08, 3.1 levels, stay bullish for 3.14, and then I will look forward to 3.24, and then in near future we are aiming for 3.5, 3.6. Now see, I have mentioned here itself that this is formed a double bottom at 2.6, and now we are looking forward to a double top here. See what it has done, beautiful recovery. Now see, after forming this double top, it is waiting for a breakout which will lead to another round of rally here. Be watchful of this. Stochastic rising to the overbought, MACD just crossed over, RSI rising. So looking at this, very simple, you can buy at 3.08 and expect it to move towards 3.1, 3.14, 3.2, 3.24. Breaking beyond which, sky is the limit. In the near future, we are aiming for 3.5, 3.6 very, 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 very soon. On the downside, for the day, it is possible that it can reverse, and thus you can sell at 3.0. Expect 3.023 as the first target levels, 2.97, 2.95 at the next. Breaking below which, I think we are looking forward to a greater downward towards 2.9, which is going to remain the prime support below which a crash can be expected. I do not see that happening, but these are markets. Take your positions accordingly. Do not miss to watch the next update with the Asia and Europe session tomorrow. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel membership here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.